The advantages of orange fruit. Oranges are among the most popular and widely consumed fruits across the world. Bursting with vibrant color, juicy sweetness, and refreshing flavor, they are much more than a delicious snack. They are packed with health benefits. Below, we explore the many advantages of incorporating oranges into your daily diet. 1. Rich source of vitamin C. One of the most famous benefits of oranges is their high vitamin C content. A single medium orange provides more than 100% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin C is essential for strengthening the immune system, helping the body repair tissues, and acting as an antioxidant to protect cells from free radical damage. This makes oranges a powerful ally in preventing colds, flu, and even supporting skin health. 2. Heart health booster. Oranges are loaded with potassium, a mineral crucial for heart function. Regular consumption can help regulate blood pressure, lower levels of bad LDL cholesterol, improve overall heart function, and reduce the risk of stroke. Additionally, oranges contain flavonoids, like hesperidin, which improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. 3. Supports digestive health. Oranges are a good source of dietary fiber, especially when eaten whole, not just as juice. This fiber aids digestion and prevents constipation, promotes a healthy gut microbiome, and helps control blood sugar levels by slowing sugar absorption. A diet rich in fiber is linked to lower risk of chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes. 4. Good for skin and eye health. The combination of vitamin C, vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, and antioxidants in oranges promotes collagen production, keeping skin firm and youthful. It protects the skin from sun damage and supports eye health and reduces the risk of age-related vision issues like macular degeneration. 5. Hydration and low calories. Oranges have a high water content, nearly 86%, making them excellent for hydration, especially in hot weather. Despite their natural sweetness, they are low in calories, which makes them a guilt-free snack that can help with weight management. 6. Bone and joint support. Oranges contain small but important amounts of calcium and magnesium, minerals essential that help maintain strong bones and proper joint function. The anti-inflammatory properties also support joint health, making oranges beneficial for those with arthritis or joint pain. 7. Cancer prevention potential. The antioxidants and phytonutrients in oranges, such as limonene, flavonoids, and carotenoids, may play a role in reducing the risk of certain types of cancers by neutralizing free radicals, reducing DNA damage, and inhibiting tumor growth. While more research is ongoing, adding oranges to your diet is a proactive step toward better long-term health. How to enjoy oranges. Eat them fresh as a snack. Add segments to salads. Drink freshly squeezed orange juice, moderate amounts, for lower sugar. Use zest in baked goods or marinades. Final thoughts. Oranges aren't just a tasty fruit, they're a nutritional powerhouse with benefits for your immune system, heart, skin, and overall wellness. Including them regularly in your diet is an easy, natural way to boost health and add variety to your meals.